Hello, welcome to this course on hospitality revenue management. This is Manish Gupta and I will bring you the course on this hospitality revenue management to understand the fundamentals of hotel revenue management. In this course, we are going to cover a few topics, which means we will be covering meaning of revenue management, we will be covering revenue management process and steps, how we do the revenue management, what are the demand factors, how we manage the competitors, how we manage the quantity, how we manage the pricing and yield of the hotels, and what are the revenue management reports that we need to see, what are the problems with the data, and what are the challenges in revenue management that we face on a day-to-day basis. And we will also be looking at common revenue management decisions that we normally have to take while we are managing the hotels. So let's start doing that now. First, we need to understand who is responsible for revenue management. Typically, in a hotel, there is a sales and marketing department which is headed by director of sales and marketing. There is a general manager who is responsible for overall hotels profitability performance. Then the director of sales and marketing is responsible for mostly marketing decisions, selling, and overall strategy of the hotel to make the revenues. Director of sales and marketing is normally supported by director of sales. Then there is a director of revenue management, director of communications, PR, director of events, depending on the hotel size and the facilities that it offers. Usually, the directors are at the strategic level, they are not actually executing the things. In these directors, there is a director of revenue management. Usually, small hotels may not have a director level, may have a revenue manager. Very small hotels, standalone hotels, may hire only revenue assistant manager or supervisors, or even just a revenue associate. Or they may not have a revenue manager, but the task is being done by the sales manager or by the reservation manager. The position may be different, but typically in a hotel there has to be a person who is responsible for maximizing the hotel's revenue. That is, we call revenue manager. So we will call revenue manager in all in our course now from now on, so that we are not confused. The direction and strategy, the revenue managers are usually responsible for direction and strategy. So director of sales and marketing will set the overall strategy. Director of sales will usually direct and make a strategy for selling only. Director of revenue management will do mostly only revenue management strategies, which we will learn in the future: pricing, controlling the quantities, controlling the distribution, segmenting, and how we do the promotions, where do we sell, group sellings. And also the director of events will do normally the events management. Director of communications will handle all the communication, brand standards, and everything else. Director of revenue management or revenue manager usually is supported by reservation manager, who is handling all the bookings in the hotel. It also supported by somebody who is managing the distribution. Hotels nowadays are being sold on different platforms. They are sold on booking.com, Agoda, Expedia. We call them online travel agents. They are being sold by offline travel agents, who are brick and mortar travel agents, which are usually selling in the bulk. Then we are selling the hotels to government, we are selling hotels to corporate, we are selling hotels to walk-in guests, we are selling the hotels on our own guests, our own website as well. So there is a vast amount of distribution that we are making on a different channels. So we need to maintain the prices, we need to maintain the quantity, we don't want to have overbookings. So there is somebody who is normally managing the distribution on the direction of revenue manager. Whenever he or she advise the distribution manager to open or close certain channels, they do that so that revenue manager can focus on strategy part or decision making part. Then other than the revenue managers, there is normally somebody for making the reports. Revenue management is primarily data based. You need a lot of data, you need a lot of reports to do the revenue management. You need past year's data, you need revenue, occupancy, no shows, cancellations, booking pace, guest count by nationality, by segment. There is a lot of data which is needed to make decisions for forecasting. So if revenue manager is involved in data collection, then he will not be able to make the decisions. So normally we support revenue manager by systems to collect the data, somebody to analyze the data for revenue manager so that he can make the revenue management. If the hotel is very small, you may not need a special revenue, special department or special person for collecting the reports. Your revenue manager can do that by themselves. But if the hotel size is fairly big, then you need to separate the responsibilities so that the revenue manager can focus on its job properly. Okay, so that is the